Okay guys, let's open this thing up and see what we've got here. We bought this today. It's supposed to be really quiet, OSHA compliant. The Hercules HE028 from Harbour Freight. Just the box pick. Okay. Look at that. We'll just put the knife down. Okay, we've got a couple of pieces down the side here. These look like the attachments. Yep. Yep. Pretty good quality, made of aluminium or aluminum for you Americans. Very good. I'll show you in a minute. Some more attachment by the looks of it. Yep. Just the one in there. Looks like a piece from the top or something like that. The bent one. Okay, now there's quite a bit of weight in this, guys, so get it out of there. Work it down. We've got some more attachments in the box. One thing I like about this attachment here is the little wheels on it. Because the little wheels keep it from sucking down onto the deck as you clean it up around the garage or your workshop, whatever you're going to call it. Yeah, it's a bit plasticky, but you know, looks like it'll do the job. Let's get it out of here. Nice wheels on the front, and when you can see that, you just zoom in a little bit. Casters on the bottom there, they can lock so it stops it rolling around. Which is a great idea, I suppose. I like that. Bring it back out. Okay. Now let's take a quick look in. By the way, guys, that is where you plug in your sander or any tools that you're going to use with the dust extractor. And what that does, if you have that switched onto there, I think it's that one anyway, when you turn on your tool, that will turn on the shock back. When you turn off the tool, the shock back should continue running for a couple of seconds later, clearing the dust out the pipe. This is to make the suction more powerful. It's like it's a variant for the motor, turn the motor up and down. This piece here is like a snake, or what you guys call them. Well, it's a stretchy piece there that locks into there, and I think what that is for is possibly for when you're wrapping around your cable lead, because the piece at the back there, where I've just got that out of, that is for storing all your aluminium tubes what I've just took out the box. Okay, let's have a little look-see inside. that there for now. And to open it, we just pull there, and it should just lift out. There we go. And there we have our 2 filters inside. Should you need to replace any of these filters, they do carry them down at Harbour Freight, so you shouldn't have to wait too long for them. Now, inside here guys, we've got the hose pipe. We've got the shock hose, and what I like about this hose is it's quite a long hose. I think it's about 17 feet, but I'm not exactly sure. We've also got some more attachments. That looks like the kind of attachment you put onto your sander or tool or something along them lines. There's a little bag here to put the attachments in. Shove that in there for now, that's just a gap one, you know. And a little brush. I'll probably never ever use that, to be honest with you, but we'll stick it in there anyway. And I'm going to put that in there for now, and we'll see what that does later on. Also in here, we've got a bag to help keep your filters clean. That's it inside there guys, that's empty in there now. So what we're going to do now is we're going to put the bag on the side, like so, and attach it. Okay, nicely attached. I'm assuming we just push that down like that. Now if you wanted to take the filters off, you simply just screw off, just like that. Okay, you got your ball inside there, your back ball, just screws back on. Really nice and easy to take on and off. Okay, let's see how this goes back in here with the bag in. Now, does that go to there maybe? I think that is how it goes. And then let's just lock it down. Excellent stuff. You've also got the handle guys, the back here locks down so you can pull it up. 2 quick release levers. That's so you can move it around the shop wherever way you want. Really nice bit of kit. I'm actually going to utilise that possibly later because I've got a cyclone which I might just sit on top of this. We'll see what we're going to do later on. Okay. Okay guys, this is the hose. Nice long hose. And this is the end that fits into our shop vac. Just there's a little nodule there, and there's a gap at the top there. You just line the two up, turn it in, twist it, and it'll lock in. Perfect. That is the attachment for when you're using your aluminium tubes and all that kind of stuff. And it just goes straight into there, just like that. With the rest of your attachments on. Use it to clean the floor. Okay. Okay guys, it just so happens that I've got crap on the floor there from the other day. I'm just going to turn this on and give it a twirl. See how it works. Well, it cleaned